Hi guys, Sherry here again, and today I'm gonna show you how to clean a dirty microwave. So this is our before and we'll see the after later. So come and join me if you're interested or if you want to clean your dirty microwave. Okay, I'm only going to use half a lemon. I'm just gonna squeeze it and then add maybe half a cup of water. Then I'll include the lemon inside as well. So that's what I'm gonna do. So you can see water and lemon. If you don't have a lemon at home, you can also use maybe a teaspoon or two of vinegar and just add a cup of water. Put our bowl of water and lemon in our microwave, and just make sure that your container is microwave safe and don't put any metal inside. So what I'm gonna do now is close our microwave and then turn this microwave on high. It's already on high, and then I'll put it maybe 4 minutes until our water is hot and boiling. So we'll see that after 4 minutes. Okay, it's 4 minutes up. We'll open our microwave. Then as you can see, it's wet. And then what we're gonna do now is remove that bowl inside the microwave, and we'll wipe it with a cloth or a tissue. Okay, I'll wipe this now, but I'm gonna remove first our plate. I'll clean this as well. Just put this there. And just remove this as well. And then we'll wipe this. I'm holding the camera as well. So it's very easy to clean once you put your lemon or with water or vinegar. Okay, I'm gonna clean now the plate. I only have dishwashing liquid and our sponge to clean it. So this is all you do. Just wash this thoroughly, and then we'll put this back later. It's very easy to clean. We'll dry it, and we'll clean this bit as well. As well together with the plate. Alright, as you can see guys, I'm using a sponge as well with the dishwashing liquid. So I'm just gonna wipe the inside of our microwave to make sure it's clean. It's very easy to do, and if you do this every day or every time you use your microwave, it won't be dirty. Okay. And then you'll clean the door as well. This area you need to clean. I'll be using another. Just hang on a minute. I'm just gonna get a kitchen towel or cloth to clean it. I'm just gonna wipe this down. So you can see our microwave is moving. It's very easy to do, and don't be afraid. If if you get electrocuted, don't worry about it. As long as the microwave's clean. Okay. I forgot the top bit. Cleaning is life. That's my husband, I think. Or smirking.
If I'm not mistaken, we've had this a year now, and it's the first time we've washed it.
No. I think it's last week.
Just an observation.
No. Your observation isn't good, lang.
Sorry about the camera shake. That was my wife's elbow.
Alright, and then I'll just spray it with our disinfectant. Make sure it's clean. Spray it everywhere. Now it's dripping. My husband doesn't like the smell.
Luckily this isn't smelly vision. I wouldn't cook anything in there now, my love.
Oh, I won't cook anything because I won't want to make it dirty. Again. We love using our microwave. It saves time. So what do you think, love? Is that alright?
I wouldn't recognize it.
Oh dear, I did a good job then.
I thought it was a black microwave.
It's nice. It smells nice as well. Nice.
Is that a chicken's foot I can see
Can't
at the
do
back?
anything about this bit
Is
though.
that a chicken's foot I can see at the back? Oh, that's a head.
Anyway, turn this. And then I'm gonna clean the upper section as well. And then the front, of course. Don't forget to clean the front.
Oh, it's white, by Jove.
Oh yeah. In this area.
Oh my gosh.
Nice and shiny. Nice and white. And that's how you clean a microwave. And that's our microwave clean, everyone. So if you like this video, please don't forget to click like, share, subscribe, and press the notification button below to be notified of my future video uploads. So it's Sherry signing off. So it's goodbye, au revoir, auf Wiedersehen, ciao, sayonara, and cheerio.